guys, welcome back to another Ryder Mo's Best video. Today we are going to be unboxing my sprayer. So I just got it today. It's from Bunnings. And so let's unbox it, assemble it, and I'm going to see if my 4-nozzle boom would go on it. Let's get into it. So let's get into it. First I'm going to undo all the tape. If we get time, it's very windy outside at the moment. If we get time, I might test it out and show you how it goes. Stick that on top. Alrighty. So, to start off, we have the boom, which is pretty good. You can see it's the same size for my nozzle. I don't think it is, guys. It's a bit annoying. Unless we're using the wrong side. So let's get the main part out. It comes with a little net for when you're inside. This is the inside of it. So here's the instructions. Move the box to the side. Alrighty. The cap and the backpack. Yes, it is a backpack spray, as you can probably tell right now. It's under the hose here. Really put it in. Where they put the nozzles. Oops, there they are. There. Here it is. So this is the sprayer. It's a 15 litre. Let's sit that there. Alright, let's put this on. How's this supposed to go? It'll just sit on there like that. Oh, it won't go on, guys. Maybe it might help if we follow the instructions. Alrighty. Let's open it up. Step 1. Alright, so step 1, we need this here. So this must go on here. Yep, this twister's on here. So we've got the boom on, where the chemicals come out. Let's open up this little bag and see if there's anything in here what can help us. There's the straps. Here's the nozzles and all of that. The seal for the cap. We'll put the netting in. Cap on top. So that was the sound of that. Step 2, put the nozzles on. I'm putting the nozzles on right now. thinking we can put the boom on either side, the little pump thing. I don't know what they call that. Let's now put the straps on. We've got one strap here. I'm guessing what we have to do is this. Put it in here. I've got that one put in there. Let's just untangle it all. Oh, you need to put the clip back on. Let me turn the camera so you guys can see. These clips are a bit annoying. There we go. What we'll do is this. Try and slide that in there. Oh, no. No, it doesn't. It must hook on here, I'm guessing. So this is with one strap on at the moment. So I was just testing it. Alright, so let's do this one. Like the other one, slide that out. I'm just trying to make it so it'll go straight through. Let's put this through. Oops. It's very difficult because you only have a small gap to work with. Might have to come back to that. I'll sit that there while we try to get it on. And we try it on the other side. There we go, we got it. So let's trial it with both on. I'm just trying to clamp that on so it won't fall off on me. There's one strap, there's two straps. Here's the spray arm. Water in it. It's a bit weird. Thank you for watching another Randomised Best video. If you have anything you would like to ask about this sprayer, go ahead and write it down in the comments. Thank you for watching Randomised Best. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye!